people get marked and you gotta run mid. Oh, we gotta hide behind the rocks.
Yeah, I saw that a lot in the video.
Okay. The tank's gotta leave.
Oh, a nigga pull.
No, we're good.
Nigga, we start over here first.
Oh, what's this?
Then you gotta move that out. That's gonna be a nigga jumping, I think.
Huddle up.
Oh yeah, definitely for this one. Wow.
I probably should have ran over here with y'all. Oh.
Did we switch bosses? No.
Hold on, the rocks was here, so I don't know what. We gotta get behind. Get ready to hide behind the rocks. Hide behind the rock.
Say meteor cataclysm interrupted. So there's an interrupt that's needed. Oh yeah, that's right. The tanks are interrupting.
Yeah, I interrupted it.
Oh yeah, move. Be ready to move back. Oh shit, who that's on? That's on me.
Get behind. I don't understand who's Oh, you couldn't get behind. That was
Oh, if that was a rock situation, so I must have got killed because of the rock, because I had the shit on me.
Yeah, I got messed up from the rock.
Alright, this is gonna go to 30%. He had 30.
He said switch at 25. He said switch at 25.
Oh, switch at 25? Okay.
That's what I think he said in the beginning. Looks like some of them are navigating over here.
You gotta move that shit the fuck all the way out the group. Yeah, with some balls, those supposed to be picked up with some shit. Yep.
I don't know. I ain't see shit yet.
Yeah, I ain't seen that yet either.
Alright, they're both under. Maybe we
This one at 17%.
Maybe we're gonna have to like slowly like get them down.
At together, probably, yeah.
I could maybe bring them a little closer together, maybe.
No, I don't think they supposed to be close together. I think they start doing some shit.
Oh, they get like buff or something?
Yeah. Oh, stack.
Alright. I'm gonna stop it. I got it like 1%.
Oh yeah, we need to hurry up on this one.
This guy's at 3.
I'm about to hurry up on this one.
Turn it down.
Oh, did he just pick this nigga up? He just picked that nigga up, bro. He just picked that nigga up, bro.
Wait, what happened?
He picked him up. We burnt him too fast.
Within 10 seconds. The wolf needed to die within 10 seconds. I feel like everyone just stopped attacking the wolf.
Yeah, it was over. We just need to hurry up and kill him, cause he was gonna pick him up.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
I just think we could have got my guy lower, maybe like 2%.
The funny thing is, yours was the lowest, and then I turned around. I should have stayed on yours. Is what I should have did. Or I should have got on yours, shall I say?
Well, the thing is nothing's gonna die unless we actually kill it. You know what I mean? So
yeah,
I would say maybe the melee stay on mine.
I feel like the other person needs to get the fuck out.
Yeah, I was like, thanks for the sentiment, but
thanks for the extra getting ready to take some damage for us, but yeah. Oh, some shit getting off. Some shit ain't getting interrupted. I think that's when that happens.
Nah, that's his regular mechanic.
Oh, okay.
My guy's he's gonna cast that wolf thing. It's not a kick.
Oh, that's on me.
Air blast.
Oh, I'm here. Oh shit. Thank you. I just know it was you, baby. I just know it was you. Okay, we got that one to 25. Now I'm switching to the other one. Now I'm going ahead and switching to the other one.
Maybe, I guess the range stay on that one, and I don't know.
Cause that one already at 25, so we gotta just burn this one down now.
Yeah, they probably did it a little lower than last time. This one, though, you gotta pay attention. There's so many fucking circles.
So much shit going on.
Oh, get the fuck away from me, hurricane! Like tornado shit, yeah. That shit always, I swear. Somebody gotta be behind. There's no way. I didn't even see the gas part. Watch that eagle. Watch the eagle. Oh, shit. That's just his regular ability. I think we should be on this dude to like maybe 5% or something, because nothing's gonna die unless we control it at 3%. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I'm gonna stop all my damage period and just tank and spank them really. Watch it, whoop. Watch the eagle in the middle. Watch the eagle on the left and right.
Where we at?
Swoop.
What the fuck? Okay, that one about to say that motherfucker dead. What is health at?
I'm at 8%.
Oh, 8%. We need to stop over here then.
I'm at 2.
Alright, let me burn this one over here. 2% on that, 1% over there. Oh my goodness. Fuck it, go in. This other one at 2%. He down. We got this shit. Fuck it, he down. That one down, fuck it.